Hey, how's it going? This is Gaming with Crazy, and we're gonna play Happy Wheels again. And hopefully this time it doesn't run as slow as last time. Alright, so what do we got now? Hmm. This? No. Yes. The hotel. I love the hotel. Alright. Okay. That's this. We gotta complete this site. Knock you downstairs. So, yeah. Knocking you downstairs. No. Oh, that was painful. Just had to pop my back. Oh, thought I heard some homing mines. Elevator? Oh, oh, I'm gone! Now, well, let's try this again. This time I won't go in that elevator. Alright, now let's go. Get out of the way, fat lady. Ugh. Ugh. There. Stupid fat ladies. Stupid freaking fat ladies. Where do you want to go? I would like to go to the restaurant. Can you get out of the way, please? Thank you. That worked. Hey, Justin, the elevator got stuck. Ah, whoopsie. You guys having a little mandate with your grandpa? That's good. Trying to live. Let me eat whistle. Let me eat whistle. I will pay you 2 gold magic beans. And they will make you see rainbows if you eat them. If you don't eat them, they will grow to be a huge beanstalk. Okay. Well, that was kind of a failure. Stupid elevators always getting stuck. Jump over the bed. Oh, well. Poor cool. Jumping over the bed. Oh, I just ripped off her leg. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah. Oh, I just ripped off my leg. Oh. Oh, it's hanging on by an artery. Oh, my other leg's messed up now. Either I popped my back or I started hurting the nerves. Probably. I want to go over there. Oh, really? They really gotta fix that glitch. I'm gonna quit that level. So I think that's a horrible glitch. Renaissance Ravager. German Biscuit. Renaissance Fair. Okay. Whee! Out of the way, stupid wizard. Now that's how you kill a wizard. Rip off his arm head thingy. Shoulder blade. I just came up with something. What if there was a sword called the shoulder blade? There you go. There you go. You and your arm can just kind of cuddle up together like that. There you go. Woo! Carnage. New Carnage. Crap. And in case you're hearing on when you're watching this video, in case you're hearing Terraria music, Justin is playing Terraria. Ah, come on! God dang it! Oh no, okay, that was bad. Help me, help me, somebody help me, help me. What, are they worshipping him or something? The dead corpse of an elf? They're worshipping it? What? What? Stop worshipping. Stop worshipping, help me.
What are you playing?
Happy Wheels.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Let's go. Oh, I saw an alien crash.
What?
That does not look right.
Oh, so many things.
There we go. Now I can just stay there with that little kid. Yeah. How many noobs can I pwn today?
What's silver for?
What?
Silver, what you saying?
I don't know. I don't know what it looks like.
Silver, what's it used for?
Silver armor.
Yeah, but that's
And probably silver weapons and stuff.
what is it used for? Anything else is more useful?
Silver watch.
Oh yeah, that's what.
Why didn't I switch your head? Okay, that's a little gesture. Defying me. You remind me of Cicero. Poor Cicero. What did I do to him? Killed him. That's what I did.
Yeah, I was gonna ask.
There you go. You are now knowing pain.
Is he dead?
Oh! Oh, he just died. Oh, yay.
You give permission to that one.
Yep. Ah, that hurt me. Why'd that hurt me?
Man, you move.
I squished somebody's head with my Segway and it hurt me in the leg. Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I don't think I can move it. Oh no, it's the fat princess. Get out of here. Ah! Ah! Ugly people. Ah! There we go.
So you playing feature level or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go jousting.
That's good.
Even though I don't even have any legs, I can still joust like a pro.
Of course.
Oh. Okie dokie. Now, what will we play now? Oh, this is a secret to the Renaissance Rapture.